Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display only selected color images on your product page of the Shopify store. So on my screen you can see that I have multiple images in the gallery. So I am interested to display only specific color images whichever I am selecting in the color swatch. For example, I am selecting white, so that means only this one and this image should display, and if I am selecting blue, so these two blue images should be displayed, and in the same way for orange and purple. But currently you can see that all color images are displaying right now. So let me show you step by step that how you can solve this issue. So firstly you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and you can see that I have installed Horizon theme. If you have any other theme, I have already uploaded the videos and code in my website, so you can download from there. For Horizon theme, I have already given the code link below in the description. So once you are downloading that code, you will be getting these 3 files, maybe 2 files. You should open documentation.txt, and once you are opening it, you will be seeing that we have multiple steps inside of it. Now the first step is that update all text of images in the gallery for each product. So this means you should go back to the dashboard and click on products. So for example, I have chosen this product for now. So you should go back here, and here we have winter hoodies. So click on that, and inside of it you can see that we have this gallery. So on each single image you need to click and then update the alt text to the specific color name. For example, here we have all those colors: white, blue, orange and purple. So according to these color names, we are going to mention alt text for each single image in the gallery. So let's say this specific image is purple, so I have added here purple. In the same way, if I'm going back to the second image, so here this is blue, so I have added alt text blue. Similarly, we have other images. For example, this one, so this is white, I have added white, and then we have other images like orange, and then we have this one, this is also the purple one. So in the same way, I have already added alt text for each single image. And once you are done with all these, then after you should go back to click on online store, and we have to do some editing inside the code. So for that you should follow the documentation again. So go back to the second step, go to snippets. Let me show you where we will be finding the snippets. So here you can see that we have these 3 dots. Click on it, click on edit code. Here is the code, and what you should do is you should click on snippets. Here is the snippets, and then we have the file name, which is product-media-gallery.content.liquid. Maybe you should copy the name of this file, and here you can paste, and automatically that file name will appear on the top. So click on it, and inside of this file we are going to find this loop, and make sure that this should be the second loop. We have actually 2 loops inside of it. Using Control F or maybe Command F, you will be finding it. So this is the first loop, you can see that, and if you are pressing enter key, so this is the second loop. All right, so inside of this second loop we are going to add this line of code. So this is actually an attribute, you should copy it, and we have this li tag. So inside of this li opening tag we are going to paste thumbnail-alt media.alt. So this will actually translate the value of the alt text. Once you are done with this, then again go back, and here we have the third step, which is add below code at the bottom of same file product-media-gallery-content.liquid. So that means we are going to paste the code at the bottom of this same file. So let me show you. So this is the code I am going to copy. So I copied the code, and then after at the bottom I am going to paste it, and then after I need to save the changes, and then you should go back, and here we have to click on edit theme, and we need to do some minor customization. For example, I am going to shop all, and let's say I am opening the same product, but you can also open this product template from here. Can you see this drop down? Click on it, click on products, and here we have the default product. So you should click on that, and automatically the specific product images will be displayed. But we are testing this code with this but we are testing this code with this product. So let's see how it works. So here you can see that we have product card. Once you are clicking on here product information, inside of it we have product media. So click on that, and then you should choose grid at the top, and scroll a little bit down, and here we have an option of hide unselected variant media. So keep it disabled, and also you should choose for variant picker, you should choose swatches. So once you are selecting the swatches, then automatically all the color swatches will be displayed here. Alright, and that's it. Now you can go back and test this feature. Here you can see that this is already applied. So let me refresh this page, and here we go. Now you can see that for white color, only white color images are displayed. If I am selecting blue, then only blue, and if I am selecting orange, then only orange color images are displayed. And in the same way, if I am choosing purple, so only purple color images are displayed. So that's how you can hide all those images which are not matching with the swatch color. So you can apply this. This is for the Horizon theme. For other themes, I have already published the videos and also uploaded the code, so you can download specific to the theme. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you are facing any kind of issues, then you can directly message me. I will definitely help you out in that. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.